I honestly wasn't expecting much from this plugin, but the result speaks for itself. Take a listen to the entire mix. Before Gullfoss, after Gullfoss.
Who was there when I was set out to try? Spending, running, escaping my forest fire. Who was there when I was set out to try? Spending, running, escaping my forest fire.
I never do this. I never reach out to a plugin company and ask for a discount. And the discount isn't for me, it's for you. And I'm doing this for two reasons. First, I really want more of you to try the Gullfoss plugin, get it, use it, and giving you the discount brings it within reach for some of you. And second, I believe this is something that you will love and use on every song. Now, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm getting no benefit from you clicking the link. Just use it or don't, but if you use the coupon code in the description, you'll get 30% off the plugin, which to me is totally worth the cost for something I'm using on everything. The discount is available for the next 4 weeks and is exclusive to my channel. It's just for you, my awesome viewers. If you're new around here, I'm SanjayC. I review the latest music gear and plugins and recommend tips for improving your music production skills. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Okay, Gullfoss is an intelligent EQ plugin. It listens to your mix, then fixes things and balances your mix in real time. Take a listen before Gullfoss, after Gullfoss. Here's another song, before and after. And one more.
Who was there when I was set out to try? Spending, running, escaping my forest fire. Who was there when I was set out to try? Spending, running, escaping my forest fire. Lost my balance, no one there to break my fall. Better days made me crazy and lost and waiting.
It just sounds better. More like a modern mix. Here's how I use Gullfoss on every beat and song. First, make sure you finish your mix, set the EQs best you can, and then, when you're done, insert Gullfoss on the master channel so that it affects the whole mix. Set the first setting called Recover to 40%, and the second setting called Tame to 40%, and then listen.
Who was there when I was set out to try? Running, escaping my forest fire.
Then adjust both of them to taste.
There to break my fall. Better days made me crazy and lost and waiting. Who was there when who was sharing? I lost my way. I lost my way.
And export your song. You're done. If you think your mix turned out too bright or dull, you can adjust it with the brightness setting here. I usually add Gullfoss before iZotope's Ozone mastering plugin, but you can try it after the Ozone plugin as well, whatever works best for you. Now, if you want to understand what Gullfoss is doing, let me try to explain it to you. Honestly, it's a bit confusing to me too. Gullfoss is an intelligent EQ plugin. It listens to your mix, then fixes things and balances your mix in real time. Can you do this with some dynamic EQ on every track? Maybe, but that's so much harder and you're gonna kill a lot of time doing that. The recover setting, which I call the make it better setting, boosts elements which are getting lost in the mix. And the tame setting, which I like to call make it even more better, reduces any dominating sounds in your mix. And they both work together, so use them both. Now, if you mix super well already, you don't need to set either of them that high. Maybe just around 15% if you're an expert. The bias adjusts the preference towards recover or tame. Check it out on the left side of the graph. Brightness adjusts the brightness, obviously. You can see the adjustments at the bottom. Boost adjusts the perceived loudness of bass versus treble. Check out the curves, particularly the lows, highs, and mids when I adjust.
Lost my balance, no one there to break my fall. Better days make me crazy and lost in way. Who was there when who was sharing? I lost my way.
Remember, it's perceived loudness. It's not a gain setting like you see on other plugins. Go get Gullfoss. I'll put a link to it in the description and the code you need to get your 30% off. Hit the like button if you like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions. If I find any more plugins that make a huge difference like Gullfoss, I'll be sure to send them your way. Keep making the music you love, and I'll see you guys later.